On Thursday, April 29, 2021, there were apprehensions in Ondo State after news of arrival of some men from the northern parts of the country whose mission were unknown. These men from Jigawa and Kano states, after being arrested and interrogated by operatives of the state security network Amotekun in Okitipupa area of the state, claimed that they were in the state for a private security training.
They need the security agent that will be that will carry on this activity.
We come and endorsed for training for 2 days training, 2 weeks training for the oil company which joined for our organization HEN.
But not convinced by their explanation, the state commander of Amotekun, Adetunji Adeleye, said their mission was not clear, hence the need to return them back to their state.
And the mission that they claimed they came for, we found out that it's not too clear. And upon profiling, we found out that majority of them don't even know how they got to where they got to. All they were told is they were going for training. Training by who, for who, and whatsoever, we did not know. We intend to provide escort to lead them out of Ondo State.
For officials of the state government, the decision to return the men to their state was to douse the tension created by their arrival.
The security situation we found ourselves in the last 72 hours was a very precarious one. If not that it was discreetly and professionally handled and well managed. What government is trying to do today is to ensure that the way they came to the state, they leave the state safely, unhurt, peacefully, so that they won't come back again.
The 42 men were later led out of the state by officials of Amotekun.